vlog. Today I'm working on the yard, right? No driver, no gardener, no nothing. Cleaning out the yard. Look over here. I have been cleaning and cutting the trees, and I have my camera set here. So I'm doing everything at the same time. And yes. Oh my gosh. Okay, these are all cut up. I'm going to put them all in the paper bag. So I need to cut these ones. They are not dry yet. I left them for a couple of days so they can dry up. If they don't dry up, I cannot break them. It looks like they're breaking up. So good. They're all gonna fit in this paper bag. And this is basically my exercise for the day. This is enough to burn at least 1,000 calories. Oh my gosh. Yes. And you know the thing, I love doing what I'm doing. Yeah. Sometimes I don't like telling people to do something for me. The kids are all gone to school. My husband is gone somewhere to play soccer. So I gotta do the cleaning. And it gives me lots and lots of joy to do this. This bag is full. I gotta get another bag. In this second bag, I have some dry flowers at the backyard. I'm gonna use this for the dry flowers. I'll take it off. So over on this side, I have the dried ones. So this side all dried up. Cleaning down the summer. Summer is almost over, but the yard has to be cleaned out. I know. I jealous you if you live in a tropical climate, because you guys have summer all year round. Here in Canada, we only have like 3 months of summer. So while you're changing, my sun is too much on my face. While you're changing your closet and getting ready for the winter time, your outfits, you are also getting your house ready for winter or fall, the next season. So now I have 2 bags full, almost full. Gee, maybe I need to move back to Nigeria where I can have some house help, drivers, gardeners. And you guys know the funny thing, even when I go to Nigeria, I'm not used to asking people to do stuff for me, because this is my life. I do basically everything here. And when I go to Nigeria, my friends say that I don't know how to do madam. Even when the driver carries me in the car, I'll sit in front. I'm not used to that. I'm not used to being served. I'm used to serving people and doing my own stuff. So I have the 2 bags. it's time to wash the garbage cans. Gotta clean out the trash. Make sure that there is no smell around the house. I just love me cleaning, right? So I'm cleaning out the garbage bins to make sure that they are clean and dry them up. And like I said, I love cleaning. I love making sure that everything is spick and span. So usually Saturdays, I have joy putting things together, especially around the house, ready to take out the trash, the garbage. Everything is spick and span. So let me know, are you the type that get services done for you? You pay for all those things? If you do, oh my God, you are blessed. You are lucky. And like I said, when people do stuff for me, I feel like they are not done properly. Sometimes my friends say that I have OCD, right? So I love keeping it real. I love cleaning. Let me see and know what you do on Saturday mornings. How do you get around? Because social media has made things so bad that people don't show their real life. But I'm keeping it real. Thank you. Subscribe and share this video. Love you.